Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of the Blaze 26-inch outdoor pizza oven with AmazingRibs.com's Dave Uwalcom. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here we have the Blaze 26-inch freestanding outdoor pizza oven with cart. 2 sturdy stationary side shelves. Inside is a spinning rotisserie and 2 independently controlled burners with a 3rd burner running along the back. If you want to make pizza, put the pizza stone right there. Push a button on the side to turn the oven on. Info is displayed on this screen. Control knobs for each of the 3 burners. This button turns on interior lights. And you can also turn on the rotisserie, even for pizza. To spin the pizza stone without you having to do anything. And Blaze includes a vertical rotisserie setup. You gotta love that. Blaze also comes with cooking racks, which we stashed in the cart. Check out these self-closing cart doors. That's cool. Slide the 2 racks right in. Yeah, versatile and beautiful. The Blaze 26-inch outdoor pizza oven. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.